One question dealing with non-Muslim parents. How do we bury them if they die non-Muslim? Like, how do we bury them?
Well, if you're the only child, then you're going to have to go and help out with the burial. If there are other family members who can help out with the burial, that is a lot better. The Prophet ﷺ said to Ali ibn Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu to go and bury Abu Talib. But the Prophet, Abu Talib is his uncle. The Prophet ﷺ did not participate in the burial because we know he died as a kafir. Now, the issue here is if you are to go there because you're the only person, then you make sure that you do not set up any polytheistic rituals which are polytheistic. Like you cannot set up a church function, and if they set it up, other family members, you should not be there when it's conducted. You should be far out from there, inshallah. Jazakallah khairan.